planting that we going nuts planting. So what we planting now, we planting bell pepper. We already plant cabbage over there. So now we planting bell pepper in this area here. All right. So what we do, we make sure we dig them deep. You see what I'm doing? Dig the hole deep. When you dig the hole deep like this, your peppers gonna grow huge and produce a lot of pepper for you. So that is very important, guys. I don't know if you guys seeing, but do you see the soil? This soil is amazing, guys. This soil is amazing. And it's by mixing every year, mix these with the soil every winter, and it produces a super soil. Okay, so let's get back here. This is bell pepper I'm planting here. Okay. So let me dig a few more holes. Okay. You see how the soil is soft? Look how soft the soil is. You see what? Beautiful soil. Okay. Make sure you don't damage the root. These white roots, these are the baby roots. You do not want to damage this, nor you do not want to damage the main root. You have a short growth, especially when you have a short growing season. There's no room for mistakes. You know what I'm saying? So try your best, do whatever you can to make sure you don't damage the root. And what I'm doing here, these peppers is planting these peppers, right? And I'm gonna plant some other pepper on a regular day because I want you guys to see the difference, okay? Lot of, I mean, it's a lot of stuff we have to plant. It's a lot. I mean, the amount of pepper I'm planting is, you should know, it's not just me I'm planting pepper for. This is a lot of pepper, and this ain't all of it. I still have more to plant. Like I said, when you plant them, especially when you have trees over the head, you have to make sure you come and make sure no leaf fall on the plants. Okay, so as you see, this whole area come right back down here. We already plant peppers. Okay, so all this whole area here is pepper.